Hello, in this video I will show you how to blend photos in Canva. I will show you easy Canva hacks to blend photos with any experience. So go to elements or upload your favorite picture. For me I choose these pictures like this one. I will set fit with the page. I will select this one also and go to apps and look for image blender. Blend selected image and choose what you want to blend. That's enough. Click on save. And now you can resize it and set the image any place you want. Open your page to create linear blender photo. Go to elements, we'll choose nature picture, fit with the page, and town picture, fit with the page also. And go to apps and select image blender. Click on blend selected image and set and click on save. That's enough. Thank you for watching this video and see you in next video.